This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make creamy Nescafe coffee. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need instant coffee, sugar, and hot water. For a single serving, we'll use 2 tablespoons of each. Combine these 3 ingredients in a small bowl. Make sure your water is hot, but not boiling, to help everything dissolve and whip properly. This simple ratio is key to achieving that perfect creamy texture. Now for the fun part, whipping. Using a hand whisk, vigorously beat the coffee, sugar, and water mixture. You'll want to continue this for about 5 to 7 minutes. If you have an electric mixer, this step becomes much quicker and easier. Keep whipping until the mixture transforms into a light brown, thick, and frothy cream. It should hold soft peaks, similar to whipped cream. Once your coffee cream is ready, it's time to assemble your drink. Fill your favorite mug with about 1 cup of hot or cold milk, depending on your preference. Then, gently spoon the fluffy, whipped coffee mixture on top of the milk. Watch as it floats beautifully, creating distinct layers. For an extra touch, you can garnish with a sprinkle of cocoa powder or cinnamon. Stir gently before enjoying. Here are a few tips to customize your creamy Nescafe. Feel free to adjust the amount of sugar to your liking. Less sugar will give you a bolder coffee taste. You can also experiment with different types of milk, such as almond, oat, or soy milk, for unique flavors. This recipe is incredibly versatile. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade creamy coffee.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.